Okay guys, newest installment for Toyota. Alright, so I'm gonna install this. I'm gonna install this today. So all relocation stuff. From this, come with camera, all that shit, all the good stuff. So that, take out all this. So all this gonna move down. That's gonna be deleted. And all these gonna be relocated. And put that one indicator, everything's gonna be relocated down. So you just have to modify this part because these connected and these one they came separate. So I guess I have to modify it to work. Okay, so it seems that right here I have to make a modification because this is where it was connected earlier. These two. So it only comes with one screw. So I have to modify this plastic to put a screw here, modify to put a screw here, but this is the front part. So it looks so far. So, okay, so I'm gonna take out the camera now, move the screw, and put it right here. And then these dowel, take it off right here, and put it right here. Same on this side. This one, this one, this one. This one, and this one, and this one. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to remove this camera. This clock. Put. Alright, clock in. So all I have to do is just make a little modification right here. Because the original holes that came under this is too small to fit these in. So I have to just use my knife and just make this hole a little bit bigger so this can fit inside of. And then you put it in like that and then you screw it right here. Okay, so all I gotta do for this one, just lift these clips up from the old one, and I'm gonna try and put it on right here. Try and put it on right here. Everything seems to be lined up. Push it on, okay? Well, okay. So we're gonna install this now. Right here. So first of all, make sure it's clean. Remove the tape before you put it in. Okay, so it's a little bit too tall on this end. So I'm just gonna use like a nail clip or a stencil knife and just cut it off. Focus. A little bit too tall right here. Just gonna cut it off. Okay, so it's my first time taking this part apart. So there's 4 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So I'm thinking to squeeze these 2 little knobs here, lift this off, and then turn this up like this and take it out. Alright. And I think it's the same for the bottom one. So first I need slack on the thing, so I push these knobs all the way in. So there's slack on it. Alright, so I push this one in, pull these 4, and then push these little knob right here. I'll show you that little knob. You can touch it. Push that little knob in, and then take it up, and then pull that like that, and then lift it out, and then lift it out and see. Alright, to take this part off, and then I'll get back to you. Alright. Okay. So basically, this one, it was like this. You flip the switch up, and then you push it back like this. So yeah. Okay. So all you gotta do for this one, these tabs, you push it outward, push it that way. Push push this one this way, and then pull the cable this way, that way, this way. Push that way, push that way, push these little tabs, push it that way, push this one that way, and pull it this way, and these are out. That's when I'm using one hand to hold the phone, so I can't do it while while I'm recording. So push this away, push this one that way, and then pull it that way, and it should be out.
Two on the top right here, just remove.
Alright, and then there's two on the bottom, so I'll flip it over. So same way, so just push this one that way, push this one that way, and then push the cable back. So it's blue and a black here. Alright, blue is on top, black is on bottom. Alright, so it goes like this. Alright, and then flip it over. Cool. Alright. Okay guys, so for this wire part right here, so this is what the radio comes with, right? So it comes with a converge harness. So this is the original harness for the car. This part is the original harness for the car, and it plugs right inside of this, and then this part goes in the radio. So it comes with a conversion harness, easy plug and play. Alright.